All
Recording
right, you
started.
guys, welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we have the wonderful, the amazing Oasis. He is going to share with us about our new feature, character consistency. We're going to be answering any questions you guys have about Syllabi. We're going to be showing you a demo, all of the above. So without further ado, Oasis, take it away.
Thank you so much, Nicole. Hey, everyone. This is Oasis, and I'm working with Syllaby for 2 years now, and I'm working with the product team. So today we're gonna go through with our new feature that we have developed, and partially it was released, and we released that where you can see some pre-trained characters and you can start creating videos around those characters. But what we're really working on is to give our users the ability to train their own custom characters. You can you can literally take one of your portrait and you can convert it into any style you want. Name it comic book, realistic, cinematic, Asian, Egyptian, Greek mythology, crime series, horror fantasy, animated cartoon, just all the image styles we have. You can convert your images into your portrait image into that style, and then you can train the whole model, which is literally dedicated only for your character, and you can start creating videos yourself in animated tone, hiking the mountain, doing a daily vlog, or performing anything. So that's what we are gonna unlock for our user. So in today's session, we're gonna take a look how the overall workflow works, and how you guys will be able to do it and what type of videos will eventually gonna come out. But before that, I just like wanted to, give a little bit of a background that why the custom character consistency is starting getting the hype. The trend basically moving towards with the release of Google VO3, where all these realistic videos are started coming out, and the companies or people trying to move towards more AI to start generating content which is longer, and they don't have to rely on the external resources like hiring the actor and everything. So it's starting getting the trend, and we just basically shape it and optimize it and have that one available within the syllabi, that you can not only just try the realistic images but all the image styles that we have in place. So let me just, without any further ado, let me log in, and I will share my screen. As I mentioned, that it's already in the testing phase right now, so there might be some hiccups because I will be accessing the testing account. So please bear with me, and let me know if you guys have any questions on the go. I'll be happy to answer. I just have to close all the tabs. Okay, let me go ahead and share my screen real quick. Okay, let me know when you guys can see it. All right, going in. Okay, so this is another sneak peek of what we're gonna do with our dashboard. You know, you've got a lot of options in Syllabi B-roll video, AI avatar video, URL to video, video vault, bulk video creation and scheduling and all that. So yeah, we're also kind of working on all these things. Okay, so let's go to the faceless video. I'm just gonna show you guys first that what is available right now in the syllabi. If you go to the production environment, you will be able to see that. So you see this small icon on the top of each image styles that basically tells that these styles are trained for the custom characters and for the pre-trained characters. So I think it's probably going to take a while to populate all those characters here. Let's select this guy. So you see all these characters right now available by Syllaby. So these are our own created characters. So if you're gonna pick Mr. Leo or Theo or Zion or Sophia or Luca, Naruto, all the images will gonna come out from Syllabi in that one video. You're gonna see the consistent face, facial expressions, hairs, and clothes, right? Now, have you seen John Wick? Okay, that's my version. So you guys can see. That's me, right? So I'm gonna show you how I get my character over here. So let's go to the character consistency. So this is our dashboard. Initially, when you're going to come, it basically gives you a complete guide, how it's going to work and what exactly you need to do and all that. All right. So you see that these are processing. Like I said, that's a testing environment. Ignore. All right. Let's do it. So you have all these styles. Like I said, that you can basically convert your image into any style. Let me give you guys an idea. All right. So I'm gonna try with one of my picture that is being heavily used in all the testing. You guys have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna try with Greek mythology. So I just need to give it a name, test, right? I can select the gender and age, and then I can just provide a description. All right, so once I provide all the details, which helps me to tell the model that how the character should be looking like, and after selecting the style, I will be able to generate the character. So what it does is it basically takes my original image and then it follows the design and the style guidelines, and then it basically converts me into a Greek warrior. Cool, right? So it's just me, and the rest of the tone of the style and everything, it's completely transformed into the Greek mythology style. So similarly, if I want to try with okay, yeah, comic book, that's actually my favorite one. Let's give it a try. I get it. I've been trying this for all these models and literally the results are hilarious. All right, okay. That's me. You can see the tone and the style. It's got to be what a comic book style gonna look like. But you can see that the character, the hairs, the facial expressions, almost same, right? And similarly, I could, go for the yeah, let's try. I want to try with hyperrealism. So hyperrealism is basically the most realistic image style we have, where we, generate images of people look alike exactly real. So you see, that's kind of,
Wow,
yeah,
that looks really good.
yeah. So basically, took care of my forehead as well. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. So see, I got some good forearms there. Yeah. So that's the power that you guys gonna get with the syllabi, with the custom character consistency. So now there are a few I would say some pointers that our team is testing right now, because it basically affects the whole workflow of faceless video creation, because there are so many small pieces involved and the pieces of puzzle that basically makes this whole journey, help us to do that. And that's what we are testing right now very aggressively with our team, to make sure that nothing is broken, everything is up to date, and we are getting the result consistent every time. So that's just the first step. So
Great.
once I've done,
Awais, I'm so sorry for
sure,
cutting
no worries.
you. Can you repeat it? Some people would want a walkthrough again from the start, based on the chat that we have here. And can you give them a walkthrough a little slowly so they can catch up? Thank
Um,
you.
all right, my bad,
Like,
guys.
how
Okay,
did you get your pitch? Will you show everybody how you got your picture of you original
okay.
in
Uh-huh.
in here to make your characters with the art styles?
All right. Okay, I
Thank
get it.
you.
Got it. Okay. So I'm gonna start again. So you will gonna find this option here, character consistency. You click on it, it's gonna show you a page first time. But since I've been playing around with it, So I'm going to see this listing screen for me. These are the characters that are in progress, and this is something that I've already created. So and if you click on it, you should be able to, see all the details. What should be the image quality, character setup, best practices, and how many credits it's going to cost. What's the time of the training, and style generation is free at the moment, right? Just going to move this one a little bit. Okay. Let's dive into create your character. Okay. So technically we have three pieces of information that we need. One is the style, in which style you want your character to be trained. These are all the same styles we have in Syllaby already, right? And this is where you're going to provide your source image. When I say source image, it could be a file or a picture of you saved in your phone if you're accessing Syllaby through your phone, or if you're accessing through web app. So you should have your picture on your laptop or on your phone. So you just simply click on browse file and you find that picture. Like in my case, that's my picture. I select my picture and I will see the preview. Now it says image uploaded, and you can also see here, one of the 3 step, one is completed, right? Image is uploaded. The next piece is that I want to give my character a name. I usually, do test name, right? Test webinar, gender and age bracket. And then you can provide a description about your character, right? Once you provide this information, you see that the generate character CTA is still not enabled. It's disabled. And you see at the bottom, one step still needs to be performed, which is select style. So what you need to do is you need to pick up a style. So for example, you are creating your content in Viking niche, right? Like Viking facts and Viking, you know, any topic. So if you want to start a series of videos that has a character name, Ragnar, right? And you wanted to use your face to, kind of explain or tell viewers the story about Ragnar. So, you can pick up that style. And similarly, you can try other styles as well. Claymation, Dreamscape, Apocalypse. I don't know how it's gonna work with the steampunk. I never try that. Maybe I'm gonna get converted into a steam engine. I don't know. So any any questions so far before
Yes,
I
there is.
sure.
So basically, what you're showing is our staging
Yeah.
dashboard. So some of them kind of got confused with it. So can you explain what's happening at the moment and why they can see it in their production? Thank you.
All right. So in the software development, basic rule is that you don't mess up the production, right? But you also need to build everything that is a mirror image of what we have in the production. So development team can see if releasing new items messing up the existing production environment or not. So we uh, put together a staging environment. You see in the URL, it's a staging, right? So that basically ensures that whatever we do in the testing environment. It's not in the production. This hasn't been released yet. It's still in the testing environment. So once it's released, you guys will be able to see it on the, Facebook community, and, everywhere it's going to be, it's going to be there all over the place. So it's in the testing environment right now. It's not in the production. We are still testing it.
Thank you, Wei. So now the question is, what's the time frame for this to be out?
Oh, that's actually a very good question. And so if you ask me as a product guy, and I want to get this one out as soon as possible, but what we do is that we want to make sure that we test it out thoroughly and make sure that it's not broken. Because right now we have 39 image styles, right? And the combinations are unlimited, infinite, if I want to say. Because you can create unlimited if you have 10 images, and you want to try out with all the 39 styles, you know how many characters you will gonna get, right? So it's it will gonna take some time, probably 2 weeks more on tops, maybe a week, because we are making sure that we test it out thoroughly and we make sure that there are no issues that we might not able to test, and when it goes out into the production it start failing or you find results are not as per the expectation. So that's what we are making sure that we, you know, cover up everything. Let's take more questions now if there are.
All right. So, so far, no questions so far. So that was the last question. It's just, if you're looking for beta testers, yes, we are definitely looking for beta
Oh yeah,
testers.
why not?
So,
Okay.
later Dawn will be reaching out to you, or you guys can reach out to Dawn if you want to be beta testers. All right. So you can continue, always. Thank you so much. Oh, there's one
Awesome.
more.
Sure.
Will there be functionality to test out the character consistency? Meaning, I want to try the functionality, but I don't want to pay for it.
Well, the idea is that I mean that's that's probably something that we have to discuss because uh, if if you want to give it a try, but if you haven't tried Syllaby, so you might not be able to connect the way the other users will be able to connect, because if you are creating the faceless videos and if you understand that whole paradigm, think then it'll be much easy for you to basically test it, because testing is not something, because we have the tester, we do the manual testing and we do the automated testing. But what we want to know from a user perspective, we're creating the faceless videos for some time, that how this feature will gonna impact them and their video creation journey and what, you know. So yeah, that's something that we will also be looking at apart from the functionality. So we could also get some, you know, valuable feedback that helps us to improve the overall software.
Thank you. So, Ryan has a follow-up on that saying, I don't want to waste credits on a video that doesn't turn out the way I'm expecting. I have a subscription, but I don't want to waste credits on something that doesn't turn out the way I want it to. So basically, that's the whole idea.
Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna create my character in Viking style, and let's see how it comes out.
So while we're waiting, a question from Michael. Can you upload a custom cartoon character that will remain consistent for clients who want a spokesperson or mascot for their advertising, both on internet and television?
Yeah, that's what the initial idea is, and yeah, that's where we want to go. So that way, you know, you will be able to kind of create the consistent videos if you have a specific, like a brand character or a mascot. Yeah, that's the whole idea. Pretty good, right? Yeah, a little bit of disformity, I guess. But yeah, if you don't like the image, regenerate it, you know. So it's gonna regenerate the image. And you know, the it's it's pretty good, you know, as the model will be warm, it's gonna produce more results. Like nice. These wrist bracelets and everything. Cool. So once I generate my character and I'm satisfied with, oh, okay, let's try another one. Let's try Blockify. I actually haven't tested this one. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. All right. Nice. What do you guys think? Ooh. All right.
That is
Let's,
really cool.
yeah. Like that one. I mean, wow. I mean, I usually thought that, you know, if you want to, if I really want to create videos for my kids, you know, me telling them, you know, how to be good kids and what you shouldn't be doing and all that. So yeah, Face
I see
reclamation.
Michael, oh wait, I see Michael in the chat. He was here the last time and he was asking about this character consistency and he was like asking and asking. And then he said, just now, he said, finally, yay, y'all are awesome. Thank you, Michael. We told you we
Thanks,
were working on
Michael.
it.
Yeah, absolutely. So so that's the so that's the first step, right, guys? Like I create the character, and once I'm satisfied, okay, that's the style I'm gonna go with. I'll just pick that character and I just start training it. Once I hit that, I'm gonna go onto the listing screen where I will be able to see all the characters that are in progress or already been done. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna lose the changes. Okay. So yeah, these are all the, drafts one. Okay. So this is my character, right? You see, this is from the action movie. And I basically created a video around it. Let me show it to you guys. It's a good one. I mean, they're like I created it 2, 3 days ago, but yeah. Okay, so that's the video about Agent 7. Let's take a look. All right, I probably need to make it a little bit large.
Hey, Oase, when you have a second and they're asking if we can make like a video from start to finish, like to, I guess, like come up with an idea using the character consistency and then create a video, like the script and everything. Could we do that for them?
Oh yeah, absolutely. The
Awesome.
individual model, like, this custom one, we're gonna take a while because the training time is 10 to 15 minutes. So what I could do is I can try. Okay, yeah, so that's me. And my daughter was she was literally asking, Dad, is that you? I was like, yeah, that's me. Okay. So let's go to the faceless video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a try with one of the pre-trained characters to, just give you guys an idea that how it works. So let's try with the animated cards. Now the twist and the point that we need to understand with the custom characters is that your script should be very vivid and clear, right? So it cannot be something like in the realm of deep sea and all. I mean, it should be enough clear for the model to understand that what action the character is performing right now. So, it'll be much easy for the character to basically, generate a video. So for example, if I want to go with this character, Leo, right? And I'm gonna go with the custom script. Leo is a mechanic, works 5 days a week. And then, he goes to play golf on weekends and hang out with friends. Right now, so basically, what I'm trying to do right now is that I pick up a character and I'm trying to explain. And this is like a test script. You can basically come up with your own script, and you can see how it's gonna come out. So let's just go ahead and create this video. Any question, guys, that I can answer?
We have one question. I'm going to read it to you, and I'm sure there's a reason for this. It says, why is the 7-day trial credit limit limited to 50? Can we increase it in the future to 100?
Well, that's a business decision because I
Yeah.
think the whole idea, because 50 credits basically gives you straight 3 minutes worth of faceless video. And if you try any other video generation platform, that basically does the same thing, that you can create 1 minute. I think most of the platforms that I know, they let you create 1 minute worth of video during the trial period, and that's it. Either it's a trial or it's a free of cost, right? But at Syllabi, you get 50 credits and 13 credits for a 1 minute video. So you can basically create 3 videos very easily. And I think that that basically gives you an idea, how you can kind of do it. So this is my video. Uh, This is, as you can see that my character is basically consistent throughout the video. So Louis is a mechanic, he's working on a car, then he goes for, hang out with the friends. I think it didn't add the golf piece because my script was way too short. I think it should be, you see, these this much of amount that I will be needing, because each frame time is 5 seconds. So yeah, but yeah, that's the actual output for the pre-trained characters and the character that I've shown you guys about me, the one that I created on myself. So that's how it's gonna look like. And we have even more videos that I've used. Let me see. All right, so I think that's the one. I think there was a testing video. Yeah, I think that was something that where we messed up. That was from the old times. Some testing were going on.
Here's a question. It says, can we change or customize the regenerator of the AI script? I want it to match my tone for my audience.
So you want to regenerate the script, or
So you want it in your voice, Edgar? Is that what you mean? You want your voice to read the script? Is that what you're meaning?
Yeah, I think what he means is that the tone, basically he wants it to be somehow, the script would be his style of speaking. Just like we do
oh,
with Dr.
so
G when I create his videos, I have to make sure that the tone, the type of information that will go out is from the way that he delivers it.
yep.
I think, Edgar, the best suggestion that I can give for this, simply because we all here in Syllabi actually um create our own videos as well for case study purposes, is that you can use either Chat GPT, Copilot, or Gemini, because it's more detailed when you use those AI tools. For now, I would say that in Syllabi itself, you can actually put there that you'd want it to be your tone, but you have to actually give them the link to a video that you already have, or a script that you have already, which is quite long because we have a minimum number of characters in Syllabi. So for you to be able to create your own tone, I think the best option right now, especially if you're going to give AI a sample of how you speak or your tone, make use of Chat GPT or Copilot or Gemini for it for now. Please add to that always if there are more suggestions that you can give. But I hope that helps.
Oh yeah, that's actually completely makes sense now. All right. So I guess that's all I have um from the character consistency and um yeah, if there are any more questions, I'd be happy to answer.
Alrighty, so I think the questions for there are no questions for character consistency for now, but more updates on our character consistency once we're ready to launch it. So please keep an eye. Actually, it's there, but we're just adding more to it with the consistent characters that we need to add. So now introductions, always a sneak peek on our mobile app.
Oh yeah.
Raquel
All
is
right.
already asking, will there be an app soon? Yes, we are working on it and we are giving you a sneak peek today. So always take it away.
Oh yeah. Let me do that. So I have to join from my phone. Give me a
Okay.
sec.
While you're doing so, we have one question from Michael. What is the maximum video length today? What will it be in a month? And when will it be 20 minutes long without stitching on my NLE?
So Michael, we're already supporting like 30 minutes worth of video if you use audio to video. So we basically support up to 30 minutes. If you want it to be more, I mean, I'm sure that we will be able to support that. Okay, right? Let me go ahead and share my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Not
All right,
yet.
give me a sec. It's just asking me an option, weird option that I'm just need to pick that up. All right, guys, I'm just trying to get to the app. It's just somehow I did install that. Okay, it's- I don't know. Uh, is there a chance there maybe you or Jao if you can share from your phone? It's just I don't know. Maybe Zoom has some different settings. It just won't let me. It basically asked me to show which on which app I want to show it. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, it seems to be a very hefty process. Any guys, anybody,
Yes,
one
Iram,
of
can
you?
you please assist Awais on this? Thank you.
Yeah, if you can share your screen and I'll just walk everybody through the app.
Yeah, just give me a minute. I need to set it.
Oh, is that is that me?
Yes, it's your screen being shared.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Oh. automatic assault. That's nice. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is the Syllabi app. I want to log out for a while. Okay. So no, no, no. I'll just drop it and I'll try to open it again. All right. Okay. So this is what you guys were gonna see, the onboarding. So we basically show you one of our key features, faceless video, edit image, and then video preview, that how you can, share it on different social media platforms. Let's get started. Again, you can create your account, log in, email, password. Basically the screen is black because Zoom doesn't want me to, I want you guys to see, these, because this is a sensitive screen. So now you're gonna see the screen. So I'm gonna pick one of my account and I'm gonna hit continue, and yep, that's me in the Syllabi app. So it's pretty much same. You will be able to see the tutorials and you can instantly start creating the videos. And if you click this create button at the bottom navigation, you should be able to see everything that we already have in the app. Video styles on the top, video vault, B-roll, and URL to video, and all the AI visuals, point of view, selfie, Miyazaki, African legends, and so forth. If you want to see all of them, you should be able to see all the styles here. Now we have subtitles, language, voice, video length, what type of script you want to write. You want a custom script, AI assistant, URL to script, or audio to video. And then we have the advanced options, subtitle position, effects, watermark, background, everything. It's literally the same thing. Like, for example, I'm gonna type in Iron Man. Okay, that's probably just not working on my screen. Adam, please take a note. Like I said, it's still in the testing, so bear with us. All right, so I'm gonna hit generate script, media context, not initialize. Okay, what am I missing? I haven't picked anything. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm probably getting some error messages, but I can write some custom script. This is a test video, right? So once I provide the script, everything will gonna be the same. I can click on the create video and I should be able to create a video. Let's take a look at the other options. My video folder, you can see these are the videos I created 2 months ago. So it basically tells you guys that it's been a while that we're working on this project. I will be able to see all my videos here. I can view the details. I can download the video if I want, and I can, delete or publish video. Let's go ahead and publish the video. So it will gonna ask me if I need to connect any of my social media account. I can, generate the description out of AI. I can add some custom call to action and everything over here. And then I can connect my social media account and I should be able to publish my video, right? And then I have a dedicated screen for all the accounts that I can connect: YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Threads. And then this is my profile. I can, subscribe to different plans. This is my plan right now. And I mean, yeah, I mean, the rest of the stuff is the same, but yeah, that's like a really, really high level overview of what we are building at the moment. So we're kind of turning this whole powerhouse into a sleek and smooth mobile app. So it's much easier and faster for everyone to use and create content as quickly as possible. Yeah, that's anything, Aram, you want to add? If I miss, please go ahead.
I mean, you have almost covered everything, but yeah, we are trying to make the app as seamless as we can. And if you guys have any suggestion, you guys can like give us and we can make it the best we can for you.
Right. So, all right. So I'm seeing a message from Dan. So Dan, basically that lip syncing piece, we are not able to offer that one right now, but we are working on that. In the future, you should be able to create videos like talking images or videos with, lip syncing with the script. I had a discussion with the developer today on that. So yeah, that's something uh down the road in our roadmap. Absolutely. Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, we record these webinars. So anytime you guys come into a webinar and maybe you came in the middle or at the end, or maybe you missed something, give us about 24 hours, give or take, and we always get a replay uploaded onto our Syllaby YouTube channel. So we have made so many webinars over the last couple of years. All you have to do is go on over to our YouTube channel, and we have all those replays, all those live streams uploaded on the channel, along with tutorials, um, affiliate videos, all kinds of different content that can help you on your content creation journey is located on our Syllabi YouTube channel. Also today, if you had a question that didn't get answered, maybe we were going too quickly or we were going too slow, and you really want to learn more about Syllabi, schedule a demo. It is worth it. You'll be face to face with one of our um, employees here at Syllabi, like Dawn, and she will walk you through the whole process. You can ask whatever questions you have. She will take your hand and show you step by step anything that you want to see. And so it's very, very beneficial, especially if you're just getting started out or you're thinking about starting out. Also, don't forget, you guys, we got our Discord, we have our Facebook community where there's so much support there and valuable information being shared by not only all of us, but Syllabi power users, people who are having great success utilizing Syllabi. We were all talking in a meeting we had earlier. One of our, a guy, Dominique, has been using Syllabi over on TikTok and showed their monetization earnings. Wow, we had no idea what the success they're having utilizing Syllabi completely on TikTok and making great money doing it. So yeah, come on over to the Facebook, come on over to our Discord. We're all there ready to help and support you on your content creation journey. If you guys have any questions for us, let us know. I'm going to be looking in the chat right now. Jao, Dawn, Awais, you guys have anything else you guys want to add?
Yes, so we would like to thank everyone who has joined us. So basically, this webinar was specifically for us to showcase and let you know about our character consistency, especially those who are waiting for it, and then how you can utilize Syllabi in content creation and a sneak peek of our mobile app. So, but all our other webinars are actually tutorials on how to monetize, how to do content creation for YouTube, those kind of things. So every webinar is different, but for today, we're specifically focusing on Syllabi. So for those who joined us just now, I hope that you were able to see how far Syllabi or how big Syllabi has grown from the very beginning up to now, especially with the new features that we have. And we have more in our roadmap. So if you have any questions and if you want to learn more, book a demo with Dawn or with Rhea, because we're always here to help you learn more on how to master Syllabi. So anything else, last few words always before we wrap up?
Well, like always, that we are building a software for you guys, and I mean, honestly, if you guys go to Google, if you guys want to try custom character consistency, I think Syllabi is the only tool right now that basically nail it down and master this most complex piece of content creation so far. I mean, you could literally do it right now, but you need to be tech savvy, in order to achieve that because there's a lot of science happening behind it. And we literally just make this whole complicated journey converted into like just three simple steps. And I would say give it a try. If you haven't tried Syllabi, try the pre-trained characters and help us improve Syllabi more and make it better every day. And look out for these custom characters. We're gonna roll it out soon, and you guys will gonna have a lot of fun with that.
Nicole, would you want to wrap it up? Thank you.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming to our amazing webinar. We will do these every Thursday. You won't want to miss it because we're here every Thursday for you, this amazing community that we have. Don't forget to come on over to our Discord and our Facebook. We'll all be over there chatting. You can share. I also want to tell you guys, over on the Discord, there's channels, right? So if you're someone who just started your YouTube channel, if you're someone who just started your TikTok account, you can share it in our Discord channel. We have different channels that you can share the different platforms, right? That's a lot of people on Discord who are going to go over and follow you on your new channel. The same thing can happen for you over in the Facebook group. We encourage you to share your content. That will help get you a boost and get you started, right? Because there's other people there that are just getting started as well. And then there's people that have been making content for a while, and we always try to go over and support each other. So if you're just getting started out, you just started your channel, don't forget to drop your links in the Discord, drop your links over on the Facebook page if you're an affiliate for Syllabi. And don't forget, when you're providing valuable information, tips and tricks, that you can link your affiliate link as well. We want you to succeed. It's all about community and lifting each other up. We really, really want to thank you guys for coming and hanging out with us today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next week, Thursday. Bye, y'all.